Hello there, I'm Nisha Podar, and in today's episode of Too Sharp, we are diving into the significant developments in the market. Dalal Street is experiencing its most bearish sentiment in the past 5 years, a situation not seen since the COVID market crash that was seen in the year 2020. Now, to make matters worse, the yearly returns for the Nifty as well as Sensex have turned negative. We are witnessing Dalal Street's worst bearish sentiment since COVID. The Agon's decline ratio, or the ADR, a key sentiment indicator, is at 0.72 for the month of February, and that's its lowest reading in 5 years. Simply put, more stocks are falling than rising, and that's a big warning sign that is also coming in. The ADR was 0.9 in the month of January. Before October, it ranged from 1 to 1.28, meaning the market was much healthier. So what has really changed? Massive selling pressure, and especially the foreign institutional investors or FIIs, they are causing the pressure, who have dumped 2.81 lakh crore rupees worth of Indian stocks since October month of 2024. Out of this, 1.3 lakh crore rupees worth of selling happened just this particular year in the last 2 months. Sensex and Nifty are both down 15% from their September 21 peak, and also broader markets have been hit even harder. The damage so far is that mid-cap index is down over 20%, small cap 250 index by 24.5%, micro cap 250 index by 23.8%. Retail investors are shying away, FIIs are dumping aggressively, and no strong position or positive triggers are in sight here. Some experts believe that the market is oversold and due for a bounce back now. Let me quote some of them. Rohit Srivastava of India Charts, he says that the ADR is at the same level as the March 2020 crash, and this could indicate a short-term reversal, especially if Nifty crosses 22,500 psychological mark. But others are not so sure about this. Harsha Upadhyay of Kotak AMC, he says that markets have been falling for 5 straight months. A bounce may come, but a sustained rally? Well, not unless we see strong earnings growth. So that's also an important worry and an indicator of the market sentiment. Now, the yearly returns slip into red market shock. The Nifty and Sensex have wiped out all their gains for the first time in a year. Index-wise damage, Nifty 50 down 1.4% YOY, Sensex is down 1.2% on a year-on-year basis. Small cap 250 is worst hit, down 7.7% YOY. Investors' confidence is sinking fast, and Sandeep Raichura of PL Capital, he says that volumes in the cash market are down by over 40% from last year's peak. First time investors are panicking and exiting. Even HNIs and big players are staying on the sidelines, he says. Now, this is only the third time in history that 90% of Nifty 50 stocks have fallen below their 200-day moving average, or DMA. Now, the biggest losers since the market peak of September 27, 2024, well, Sensex down 17%, Nifty down 18%, mid-cap 150 is down 20.3%, small cap 250 is down over 24%. In terms of the worst hit stocks, let me enumerate that. Tata Motors, IndusInd Bank, Adani Enterprises down 30% plus. Surprise gainers in this massive sell-off have been Bharti Airtel, Mahindra & Mahindra, Bajaj Finance. These are the stocks bucking the trend. Narendra Solanki of Anand Rathi, he says that usually in such cases, there are bounce backs in the market, but the beginning of such a recovery is not yet in sight. So all eyes would be on, are we at the bottom, or is there more selling ahead? That's a big question in the market. With that, it's a wrap on Too Sharp. Thanks so much.